How to delete Wix website on mobile app. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your Wix owner and log into your account. And once you do that, click on the sites drop down at the top center of the screen. And here you will find all of your sites or site list. In order for you to delete a website from these, you need to click on the three dots at the top right of the screen, then click on edit site list at the bottom. In order for you to delete a website, you simply need to click on the three dots next to it, and from the pop-up window, click on move to trash. A window will appear that asks you, are you sure you want to move this to trash? Once moved to trash, your site will be unpublished on the web and no longer available on your members app. So click on move to trash. And once the website has been moved to trash, click on it and again click on the three dots next to it, and from the window that appeared at the bottom, click on delete. And again a window will appear that asks you whether you want to delete it, and it tells you that once deleted you will lose your site and members app history and won't be able to restore or edit it again. Click on yes delete and your website will be deleted for good. So that was it for this video. That's how you can delete a website on Wix using the mobile app. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.